AT&T is a household name when it comes to cellular service. But how does their home internet service stack up against other top providers? Stick around to find out. I'm Riley with Switchful, and let's talk about it. We rank internet service providers on value, performance, equipment and installation, and customer experience. In our opinion, AT&T offers one of the best values in internet service. They offer fast fiber options at a reasonable price with no contracts, data caps, or monthly equipment fees included. AT&T is one of our favorite internet service providers. All right, let's talk about the competitive fiber plans AT&T offers. With AT&T's fiber plan, you'll get unlimited data. Now, when it comes to the competitors, Xfinity offers a slightly cheaper gig plan, and Google Fiber is about $10 less than the AT&T plans. Since AT&T is normally available to more areas than Google Fiber, we think it's the better deal. The equipment from AT&T is pretty standard and also defaults as a wireless gateway. And for larger homes, they offer a wireless extender. AT&T packages offer incredible upload and download speeds. No need to worry about losing connection during your video call or have your 4K streaming stutter. It's also worth mentioning that since AT&T Fiber Internet uses fiber optic cables, upload speeds are equal to download speeds. You can upload huge files in seconds, video chat, live stream, and more without a hiccup. AT&T offers two plans for installation: professional installation by an AT&T tech or a DIY self-install kit. Now, we normally always suggest the self-install options, and this video is no different, provided your home is wired with fiber. The AT&T self-install option is simple. It comes with clear instructions through the AT&T Smart Home Manager app. Self-installation isn't free, but it's cheaper than AT&T's professional install option. It's important to note that these charges are higher than other competitors. That being said, if you do need a professional, you can expect fast and friendly service. We've had personal experiences with AT&T techs and have had a great experience. AT&T has top-notch customer service. There are many options to get help or questions answered. They offer help options through Twitter, Facebook, online chat, telephone support, or AT&T's online support website. The website is easy to use and has a lot of useful information. While no customer service is 100% all the time, AT&T customer support tends to be better than average. We gave AT&T a rating of 4.5 stars, while customers gave it a rating of 4.1 stars. So, there you have it. Are you gonna go with AT&T as your next ISP? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments below. If you wanna learn more about AT&T Internet, other internet service providers, or streaming and cable services, check us out at switchful.com. We'll see you next time.